Did you know that ang halo-halo is inspired by a Japanese dessert, no, known as kakigori. No, it's a Japanese shaped ice dessert introduced before World War II. So, gihimo sa Filipino no is gibot kanila twist no. They add local ingredients such as ube, leche flan, sweetened bananas, and coconut were added, making it uniquely Filipino. And also, the origin of name is halo-halo, means mix, or you need to halo. Imong ihalo tanang ingredients.
Pinaramdam mo sa akin lahat ng kilig, pero kung saan naman kita inibig, doon ka naman biglang ng lamig.
Isa sa mga pinakamadalas na pagkakamaling nagagawa natin ay yung nagmamahal tayo ng sobra na halos wala nang matira para sa ating sarili. Gasgas na, pero marami talaga sa atin ang ginagawang mundo. Ang isang tao na dapat ay minamahal lang natin. Ang pagmamahal ng isang tao ay parang enerhiya na pwedeng maubos. Lalo na
The aroma is mainly from the milk and the ube ice cream, giving it a sweet and creamy scent. The texture of halo-halo is smooth and creamy from the ice cream, soft from the gelatin, chewy from the coconut strips, and crispy from the corn flakes. For the appearance, it's not perfect for me. I would like it more if there were two colors of gelatin, like green and red, to make it more colorful. But since it's only green, it's still okay. The exciting part of eating halo-halo is mixing old ingredients, no? Kaya gitawag po siya halo-halo because you need to mix it before eating. Para malasa nimo, like ma-taste yun nimo ang tanan ng ingredients, no? For the taste, it's fine for me. I could really taste the sweetness of the milk and the ube ice cream, which made it creamy and enjoyable. To make it healthier while keeping its authenticity, we can use less sugar, choose fresh fruits like banana, mango, or jackfruit, and try low-fat or lactose-free milk. These small changes keep the taste and tradition but make halo-halo better for our health. Halo-halo has health benefits like giving quick energy from carbohydrates, calcium from milk, for strong bones, fiber from coconut and corn, and antioxidant from ube and fruits. But it also has possible concerns. It could be high in sugar and moderate in fat, which may increase risk for diabetes or weight gain if eaten too often. For me, halo-halo is not just a dessert, but a reflection of Filipino culture and creativity. It brings joy and energy with its sweet taste and nutrients, but at the same time, it reminds us to be mindful of its high sugar and fat content. That's why moderation and healthy tweaks like adding more fruits or using less sweeteners and make it both enjoyable and nourishing. As they say, desserts are sweet but balance make them truly healthy.